And now we head over to our next startup. Dialing in from the US, we've got Bernadine Lim from Quantumcyte. Your 2 minutes begins now.
Quantumcyte comprises a team of experts passionate about delivering better outcomes for cancer patients globally. Hi, I'm Bernadine, CCO. Global top medical and research centers like SGH and Mayo Clinic are working with us today. Why? Because they're excited about our unique capability to address a challenge that no one currently can. Today, 25% of patients are unable to receive the conclusive data and potentially life-saving options because of what you see here. Current pathology workflows and manual scraping of biopsies does not produce high enough sample purity for conclusive data. Alternative solutions are expensive, takes time, and do not provide the required data for this set of patients. At Quantumcyte, we have developed a first-ever AI-integrated tissue dissection platform for modern pathology. We provide answers to the 25% patients and more. We detect, isolate, and extract tumor content with high precision using our patented print-based technology. We provide clinicians high-resolution, pure cellular data for conclusive diagnosis. What makes us unique? With clinicians, they will now have conclusive data to personalize medicine for their patients. For researchers and farmers, they now have critical spatial data for the fast-growing spatial omics market. Overall, we have what it takes for success in a US $34 billion global market. With our first clinical installation at SGH and strong acceptance by world-ranked hospitals and research institutes, we're now ready to scale and grow globally. We are future ready. We are the intelligence behind every biopsy as we grow both vertically and horizontally to capture new markets. At Quantumcyte, we believe in equal opportunity for all cancer.
Thank you very much, Bernadine from Quantumcyte. Good evening, Bernadine. We've got 3 minutes with our judges, and the 3 minutes begins now. Who would like to go with the first question? We've got Donna from Zora Innovation.
Hi there, Bernadine. Can you talk to us about the IP behind this print-based tissue detection technology? What is the technology first, and what IP do you have on that?
Yeah, we have IP for the masking and ability to retain the complete cell data. The technology is really borrowed from the solar and the high-tech solutions market. Basically, what we have is we have a way to mask out the regions that are of no interest to the clinicians and just be able to have the clinicians zoom in on the regions of interest.
Thank you for that. Our next question from Samad from HealthX Capital.
Hi. What's the business model? Is it a hardware and a software sell to hospitals, or do you charge per sort of scan that you do for the tumor?
Yeah, so our business model is razor blade model. So it's instrument, it's hardware, software, and services. We have an instrument, we have the consumable, we have the kits, we also have the software, we have the service. Currently, we're doing slides as a service. We have a line right now at Singapore General Hospital, as well as over at our site here in Silicon Valley.
Thank you very much, Bernadine. Judges, do we have another question for Bernadine? We have one from Jiong Xing from EDBI.
Hi, Bernadine. My question is, can you share a bit more about the resolution of your spatial characterization? And downstream, do you just use 10x genomics sequencing solutions, for example, or do you have your own?
Yeah, we have our own. Our resolution is around, I would say, about the width of a hair. So it's about 50 microns. Others in the market, such as, say, milling, their smallest resolution is around 250 microns. So because of that, we are able to look at those undiagnosable samples, right? The ones that the clinicians can't today, like what we talked about on the pitch, can't have conclusive data from.
I believe a very quick question from Donna from Zora Innovation, really quickly.
Can you quickly talk about integration with pathology information systems? How you integrate with the existing systems?
Right, so we don't, we are agnostic to digital scanners. So right now, for instance, at Singapore General Hospital, they're using Philips scanner. Other hospitals are using Leica. We can integrate with whatever digital pathology system you have, right, on the front end. And at the same time, we scan, we isolate.
Unfortunately, Bernadine, I have to cut you off there. Our 3 minutes with the judges is up. Thank you once again, Bernadine from Quantumcyte.